Replace an arm that is broken. You come and you remove this little pin. Just get a deal that'll be in there. You just hit it slightly. Knock it out. Gently hold the top. Take out the bad arm that's broken. To reinsert the new arm, you put it in the head part. Make sure you have the end part down in the slit. And if you will, there's a little hole, and Raina will come around here and get this little picture of this little hole. There's a little pinhole right here that this little quarter key goes in. And you might have to tap it in. I'm gonna have her to hold the top just for me, and I'm gonna get this started. Okay. And to remember, this part goes up under the rubber. If you look through there, you can almost start seeing the little end of that coming through. So we know it's through there, so we're gonna slide it back. We're gonna put it under the rubber. We're going to get our new arm, slide it in here first. That is the big thing. Then we'll bring this down forward. I'm gonna line this up with the little hole. Okay, that's in there. Now I'm gonna just tap in this and we're done. So I will just get it and gently tap it in and tap it through.
Wilmer Stevens said that they haven't picked up the trash yet and it's already full.
Okay.
Do I stop?
Might be a good idea to use that, and that'll help. Okay. And that is fixed.